Begin today by discussing our dress code here at Ruston Junior High School for the 23-24 school year. I will begin with shirts. So we do have a couple of options when it comes to a uniform shirt. If you decide that you would like to wear a school purchase PTO shirt, it is a dry fit short sleeve shirt that states "We are Ruston." Those will be allowed every day, Monday through Friday. Also, our school spirit shirt that was purchased through the school is allowed every day, Monday through Friday. And these shirts are only optional. You do not have to purchase these shirts. If you decide to go with a polo option, our school colors are white, red, gray, or black. We want to make sure that if your shirt has a logo, that they are small logos or emblems. Moving on to our pants and our shorts, joggers, jeggings, or leggings are not allowed to wear. Our school colors for pants are black and khaki. If you decide to wear shorts, they must be no shorter than 3 inches above the kneecap, and they must be the same length in the back as well as the front. No cargo shorts are allowed. As far as our skirts, skirts must touch the kneecap all the way around when standing unless leggings are worn under the skirt or the skort. I would like to say that again. Skirts or skorts must touch the kneecap all the way around when standing unless leggings are worn under the skirt or the skort. If calf length full length leggings are worn with a skirt, we want to make sure that those leggings are school colors and pants, etc. As far as the skirts, you can wear a pleated or a non-pleated uniform skirt. If you decide to go with the plaid option, those can be picked up at Ruston Locker Room. Belts are strongly preferred, but they are not mandatory. If there becomes an issue with sagging, you will be required to wear a belt. Sweatshirts. Ruston or R sweatshirts will be allowed every day. No other school logo sweatshirt will be allowed Monday through Thursday. An example of this would be a Grissett's Greatest sweatshirt, an I.A. Lewis sweatshirt, or any other elementary school. So once again, if you decide to wear a sweatshirt, it must state Ruston or RJHS or plain. Crew neck long sleeve sweatshirts may not have a pocket or a hood. Our school colors for sweatshirts are the same as our polo: white, red, gray, or black. Three-quarter zip pullovers will be allowed. They must be school colors, no pockets. No writing is allowed anywhere on the sweatshirt. This includes your name, nickname, or number. Coats and jackets. All jackets and coats will be kept in the student's locker during class time. I would like to clarify that you will be allowed to wear a jacket to come to school, but those will be placed in your locker until it is lunchtime. Shoes and socks, we want to make sure that we have closed-toe shoes. This includes leather shoes, tennis shoes. Just make sure that they are closed-toe. Shoes must match, and laces must be securely fastened at all times. No house shoes, flip-flops, high heels, Crocs, or any mesh material shoes will be allowed. We are asking that you wear one pair of matching socks. Students, we will have Spirit Ruston Day every Friday. You will be allowed to wear any Spirit Ruston shirt. So if you would like to wear a shirt from another school, as long as it is affiliated with Ruston, for example, Louisiana Tech. Those shirts or sweatshirts will be allowed on Fridays. Jewelry. We want to make sure that we have a pair of earrings that are no larger than a quarter. There will be times where we will have free dress down days. Those guidelines will always be sent to you before the free dress down day. Also, I would like to talk about our jeans. Students, if you decide to wear denim jeans on Friday, we want to make sure that if you have any holes or if you have any frays, we must not see skin. So you must wear something underneath to not show skin. Again, if you decide to wear frayed jeans or jeans with holes, we cannot see any skin. I want to discuss the discipline for dress code violations. Students, you will not be allowed to attend class when in violation of the dress code. Your parents will be contacted to bring you appropriate clothing. If your parents are not here within 30 minutes, you will report to ISS for the day. Thank you. I would like to go over our current cell phone policy. So we will begin with a district decision that was made last year by our superintendent, Mr. Durrett. So cell phones are allowed on campus, but you cannot use a cell phone during school hours unless it has been approved by an administrator. So that means you cannot have a cell phone in the gym in the morning. You can't have a cell phone using it during recess or in class. Now, I want to go over something very, very important. I want to make sure that you know that AirPods and smartwatches are not allowed on campus. So you may have a cell phone on campus, but you cannot use it during school hours. But AirPods and smartwatches are not allowed on campuses or on school buses. At Ruston Junior High School, we abide by the policy that is set by our superintendent, Mr. Durrett. So if you are caught using a cell phone, the first offense is going to be $10. That cell phone is going to be taken up by an administrator and a parent is going to be contacted. If you provide the $10 before the end of the day, you will be able to have your cell phone back. Our second offense is $15. Your cell phone will be taken up by an administrator. Your parent is going to be contacted. And again, it will be held until the end of the day or until you pay your fine. The third offense, there is no fine, but an administrator will take your cell phone. A parent is going to be contacted, and then a parent is going to have to come to school to get that cell phone back. Also, a discipline referral will be written. If you refuse to hand over your phone to an administrator or any school personnel when asked, that will result in a referral and an automatic out of school suspension.